So I just found that the LDO extrusion, as you can see, there's a line center here, right? And when I switch other side, see, no line. This is second side, third side, and there's the last one, fourth sides, and another one. So it has only one side, that's this line. So when you build out the frame, make sure the line here, you align it like when this is the top and bottom, the line maybe you should face out and then face down. So when here is your front and this is your back, make sure the line here from the front is facing here, the line is here, and then you facing here. So the line will be like this, facing here, and then on the back here is the same. The line should be faced like this. So yeah, if you want to get perfection, make sure the line is aligned all your frame, based on your preference. My preference is I don't see the line very visible, so I will realign again from my extrusion. So I have a problem here. This linear race direct to the screw to this 2020 extrusion profile, but in the Voron design, the GitHub assembly guideline for Voron 2.4, it said using the M3x8 for the screw. Yeah, this is too long. It should be M3x6. It's not 8. And now I have a gap for these linear rails. Let me show you here. See, there's a gap, so it should be M3x6, and with this one. So yeah, there's a problem for the guideline. Make sure you use the M3x6, and for this nut.